You're welcome to Akosi TV. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.
Yeah, media. Oh, Yanko Padarama. Oh, media Casadia Cosisako. Robert, it is upon you could have another version. Nice, Robert Sapon. But as Minia. They can make you my phone on Akosi TV. I'm a supporting team from time I up to date. I mean, she will be here. More time, or more comments, or more energy, or more essay, team. The medical can say Akosi TV, ye entertaining, ye educating. Say, Obi will follow you. Be able to say you will release video about lockdown. Or I think say President be announced say Monday or be announced on a Friday. Say Monday they lockdown. Sunday no, you should see video. This on that Monday no, you will be dating the kaka. Now, yeah, your lockdown video at that one thing. I educate because he say Ghana for. And I Ghana for binum asun tin no esitre no eye den ya ebenya Judas bia obebu mra no so say 12 bia ye wo 1 Judas a count 30 million Judas sebu bebre kwa eti ye try hu say obi president mi pie partial lockdown here but essential services but obi be pie with reason dia enye taje wonu pa na waka okra no mutimu ze agwa okase ade wa fa bibia na eti ye say video no to educate enkrofo say okwa koye ye hu say mamiki eka so okofa gas ana so okogine gas cylinder ye ma na kwan but o ma no o mo muti fie ni mu bo TV game o ma mimi say ye share me ase me kwa koje TV game won for which is entasum so nti esrema muntie de omanpeni eka no e fancy for you na mun stay safe my stay home stay safe. Oh me that's so we ask our question Akosi TV e mpa ni say dedicated and dedication is also no you go ha oye nani ji so oye acting ana yobu ho na niji so peso osua acting enti obi biara obebeye biara no ye pese e mani pakro no chance no no so ade ne woni mu no exhibit me de yehu enti ye video no ye liste nipa na se bia brand ni ofanene Akosi TV ene mamiki ni owusuwa atane ofanene ye listening nyina na ya stories de ama wo mo se be ya ebetimi education betimi abai no obi biara obaye bia anya ne chefa wo videos na ye yini nti menda wasibion mesa da sibion se because pese one yetitin nkrofo ema omo fa yensem ebi obi ne acting no de be area go obi enim de obeye wasase so just say what started na hu ni say we na be boa wa no afa that trend enti obi biara wa ye willing or ye serious or ye interested owo akoma pa say obeye ejuma no your numbers will screen in so and I will video be a number also ubetimi afa. Then we started from there. Say if you are willing you can come. Okay, mafutu baako anase mafutu amede be sha se nipa bia yinipa e wa asase so men look down upon obia obehia no because ampo for example no see time changes teacher ni na ogunu ni nese ono kira wade no a time may come e bia na teacher ni bohunu no twitro unma de kodi esiye and actually say time changes nti men look down upon nipa da se ni bia behia na asase so and I said nyame ye wadom na se unya fame bia men fan tena obi so eso because obi a unya fame bia nyame de nipa ko bi a hye wonsa aye fan base sa fan base no mo hwe de wo ye omo tie wo kasa omo ni ji so omo pese omo ye de omo hu eti if some of we nyina e fe ne fan base no nyame de o ma hye wonsa e wo se obi biara owo around you e reflecting ma omo enya fan base ne nko obi owo around you biara e reflecting eti memfa wo fame no entieti akorofo so don't think say you are everything eti fame na wanya obey o de beti akorofo so and at the third aspect e bia o person start acting now person do you be but you have to get something in support of the acting because me for instance me shoot once a week every Friday me wo majuma kasa me which is me motion graphic designer 3D designing eno na ye me kasa majuma me eti we know anase YouTube channel no the first at the end say ye dey support and nkofo a omo pese omo wura acting mu ye eti o pese oba acting mu na hu mu a o so pe bibia o be dey o be support ho eti if you are not getting anything out of it e may burden anase e may pressure e ma wo bibiara afutu ano.
Welcome to Akosi TV. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.